Hello my dear students, I am Priyanka from Sandpoint Belgaum. I am here to discuss about three major points with respect to GATE exam this year. Okay, so for GATE 2021 the exam dates are already announced, that I will be discussing. The second thing is they have added few more exams or the branches which you can say in GATE exam. Third one is they have revised the eligibility criteria. So these things I will be discussing, and along with this I will be discussing few points on why GATE exam is important for you. Because see, before choosing any exam you should know what is the importance of that exam, instead of choosing the exam blindly ki my friend has applied so I should go and apply for that. Okay, so let's start. First about the exam dates. So the exam dates as per what is announced is 5th, 6th, 7th of February and 12th, 13th, 14th of February. That is February 1st, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. February 2nd, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So these are the exam dates, and usually mechanical will be on the first Sunday, civil will be for the second Sunday. Okay, and coming to the eligibility criteria, see this is very important. Initially, okay, so when we were giving GATE exam, that time even the third year students were also eligible to give GATE exam. But now since recent years they had changed it, stating that only final year students and above that can give the GATE exam. But now for this GATE 2021 they have revised, stating that even third year students are also eligible for GATE exam. So what is the meaning of this? I am recording this session in July month. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Ki the students who are now entering for 5th semester, they are also eligible for GATE exam. That is what I am trying to say. Initially these students, that is during 6th semester, they were not eligible for GATE exam. So this is very good news for the students who are still in third year, because what happens is when you give GATE exam in 6th semester, you will be able to analyze yourself ki I have prepared this much, how strong I am now, and if I prepare for one more year, because you will be in college campus till you complete your engineering. So if I continue it for one more year, definitely I will be able to score good marks. So I personally feel it is very advantageous for third year students also. Coming to final year and passed out students, so the competition for you people has increased now, because the same set of students who were writing for final year, the students will be writing now who are in third year also. So for you definitely the competition will increase. So the students who are already preparing for GATE exam or who are planning for that, prepare it very seriously, because one more batch of the students will be getting added into this competition. Okay, and this is one such exam which you can write in third year. There is no other exam which you can write in third year. And coming to the exams added in this, they have added two more exams, that is humanities and environmental studies. See, civil engineering students, they can even write environmental studies exam also now. So if you want to have that IIT tag kind of, see some students want to have that irrespective of which IIT it is your individual interest. So if you want to have that IIT tag, then you can go for these new subjects, because the competition will be really less in these subjects, new added subjects, compared to that of the others one. Okay, and initially one more point what they have mentioned is, initially, for example, I am a civil engineer, BTech civil engineer, I have to write only civil engineering paper in GATE or only one paper. But now they have given you two options, that is you can write two exams also. So you can pick the combination, another combination, like the subjects which you study more in your core subjects, the other combination will also give you. See, it will be having definitely some benefits. That is the reason they have given you this advantage. And this year, that is GATE 2021, will be conducted by IIT Mumbai along with IISc. Okay, so the students who, and now if you consider like February, and already just a few days ago only IIT had confirmed that even with this COVID situation, whatever it is, we are still ready to conduct the GATE exam for the said dates only. That is, the exams will not be postponed. So they are already prepared for that, like the distance, all that and all during the exam hall. So that is the reason every year they used to have 2 days for exam, that is first Saturday Sunday and second Saturday Sunday. But this time they are adding 3 days. What does that mean? They are having that thought in their mind about the corona situation, considering that there should be some spacing between or a distance between the students. That is the reason the exam is conducted for 3 days. So our students also ask me, ma'am, whether there are any chances of postponement of GATE exam. Mostly 99.9% there are no chances of postponement of GATE exam. Now coming to the preparation, from here if you consider from August 1st, you are having 6 months of time to write the GATE exam. Okay, and this 6 months is more than enough for cracking GATE exam if you dedicate yourself for long hours every day. Because see, the students who are in 6th sem now, that is who are in 5th sem, who completed 4th sem and who completed 6th sem, anyways your exams got cancelled, right? So what work you are having now? So prepare for this exam, and also if you get qualified in your 3rd year only, for 3rd year students I am saying, then definitely that will be helpful for your placements also, because 1 year you will be still in college campus and your placements will start mostly in 6th, 7th, 8th semester. So your GATE result will be in the 6th semester only. So this result will definitely help for you for the placements. That is, it will be one more add-on advantage for your profile. Okay na? Next, coming to the advantages of GATE. Most of the students see, when I tell you like you have to prepare, and in colleges when I discuss with the students when they are in 2nd year, 3rd year, they will say, naven GATE bariyudilla. But when they come to final year, they will feel that my friend is applying, I should have also applied. So I personally feel, because I was faculty earlier in college only, so I personally feel seeing our students ki 95% of the students in any college write GATE exam with no results, because they will just go and write feeling that my friend is writing, and your examination will not be good. So just to discuss about few points on what are the advantages of GATE. The first advantage is you can go for higher studies. The second advantage is you can go for government job, that is for PSUs. Third is you can go for research also. So, and okay, so these are the major advantages for GATE exam. So coming to higher studies, either you can go for MTech, MBA or MS. See, you 2 universities in Singapore and 2 universities in Germany, they have certain vacancies reserved through GATE exam only. Okay, wherein you will be getting the stipend as per those institutes. So that is what I wanted to share you ki you can do MS through GATE exam. Second one, MBA, some of the IIMs and NITI Mumbai also take admission only through GATE exam for any branch. Okay, and NITI Mumbai, the competition is really high for that, and but once you get placed in the companies during placements in NITI Mumbai, your salary package will be minimum 16 to 20 lakh rupees. So that is the reason some of the students, they spend 2 to 3 years just to enter into NITI Mumbai to get MBA and get placed in good private jobs. And the next important is MTech. See, if you want to do MTech in IITs or NITs, you have to write GATE exam compulsorily. So this is must, and along with that you will get the stipend of 12,400 per month. And one more advantage in IITs is like good students of every MTech branch, they have the opportunity to do project work in European countries under the DART scholarship. So you have this opportunity only in IITs. Okay, there are many other opportunities, and assume that if you have just qualified GATE exam, okay, it's very difficult to get into IITs and NITs, still you apply for PGCET, your rank will be generated separately and you will get the stipend of 12,400 even if you get any colleges in any private colleges in Karnataka. So for this specifically, I have made a separate video about PGCET notification. You can check that video because I have given you lot of wide information about GATE in that. I don't want to spend much time on PGCET for this GATE now. Understood? See, MTech, it is the major, very major advantage. Next is, if you want to enter into PSUs like Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum and all, still all those companies, they accept GATE score only. So this is another advantage. Next advantage is some of the civil engineering students, they go for NICMAR. Okay, NICMAR is having separate aptitude entrance test. but if you have qualified the GATE exam, you no need to write. So this is another advantage. Next is coming to PhD, that is if you have already completed MTech now, still the students, we are having students who have completed MTech already, but still they want to write GATE exam because they want to do PhD in IITs and NITs. So most of the IITs, they take PhD through GATE only along with the stipend. So you will be getting stipend there also, and you can enter into research like JRF, SRF and all, and CRRI, ISRO through GATE only. So these are the major advantages. Along with this, for third semester, what I told you, for third year students, this will add very good weightage for your placements. So definitely, because our students have experienced this. Okay, so these are all the wide opportunities through GATE exam, and no exam in our country has these many wide opportunities. Either it can be in government job, higher studies, research, okay, in any field, or even for PhD also, even for study abroad also, MBA also. You can just tell me there is no single exam which is having this much wide opportunities. So I still want to tell you people, the students who are still thinking of joining the classes, okay, do not have that mindset ki I will join the classes once classroom teaching will start. See, as per the current corona situation, what I can tell you is mostly no coaching institute will open by this year end. So year end in the sense December, January, and your exam will be in February, and GATE is not an exam which can be cracked just by 1 month or 2 months of preparation. Okay na? So start studying, and the one, so you have to depend on online only. So don't have that mindset ki I don't understand online, I have the internet issues, or my memory will get over. No, you have to find the solution for that. Increase your data package, do something with that, and you will get to used to this online thing, because our students who have already attending the class, they have get used to this. Initially, as I told you, like they were also little reluctant. We know that, considering ourselves in the student point of view, they were also reluctant and they joined late also. But now still, if you have that thoughts in your mind ki I have to write GATE, then start your preparation as early as possible. And in our video series for GATE, we have seen to it that we are giving you the complete concept right from the basics for all the subjects. Along with that, we are solving all the previous year's GATE questions, other questions we are solving, and we are giving the work booklets for the students to practice, and along with that we are giving them the test series also chapter wise. See, as per the feedback of our previous students, what I can say is that if you do this much, say for example fluid mechanics is there, if you watch the 33 hours of the concept classes, after that GATE questions solved the recordings, and if you solve the work booklet questions, and if you give the online test which are designed by us promptly, that is more than enough for this exam. Because GATE is such an exam which is asked based on the concept based, okay, memory based questions or mugging kind of questions are very less in this. There are concept based questions, so we try hard to make your concepts very strong, very clear, which you haven't acquired in your earlier studies, either it might be in your college or when you were preparing on your own. Because see, the subject remains same what you have studied in college, but here we teach in depth, that is the reason. So I want you to, if you are having that thoughts, I want you to register for the classes as early as possible, because GATE exam will happen. Do not have that mindset ki all the things are postponing, this may also postpone. No, because they are taking the precaution. The simple example what I told you, this year they are keeping 3 days exam. Initially it was only Saturday, Sunday. So from this you can understand ki they are preparing from now onwards only for the COVID situation. Okay, so that's all for this. If you have plans for registering the classes, you can contact as early as possible. If you want to write the exam, if you don't want to write the exam, then fine, that is not an issue, but take the decision. This is what I keep saying for my students every time. If you want to do it quick, or else leave it, because they will come in the month of September, October saying that ma'am we will join the classes. See, how can the syllabus will get over? It is around 600 hours of classes. Okay, so these are all the, and whatever, like I am telling you, whatever we are providing in our classes, it is one stop solution, because that confidence I can give you, or that assurance I can give you 100% key. We are not lagging in anything, right from the study materials to teaching to online tests to result. We are not lagging in anything. And if you are preparing on your own, so try to solve previous year's questions at least thrice, because in GATE is such an exam key, questions will not be repeated in this, but concepts can be repeated. And one more thing to tell you, GATE exam result is valid for 3 years and you can write this exam for any number of times. Okay, so further we will be making few more videos on how to prepare the individual subjects. Like if you consider maths, how to prepare that. If you consider strength of materials, engineering, mechanics, so which are the important topics which you have to concentrate and all. Okay, so that's all for this. All the very best.